Okay, now let's build a custom layout for our cart page from scratch. To do that, go to Divi library, and click on Add New. Give your layout a name that you can understand. I will call it cart layout, and select the layout type as a layout and click on the submit button. You will go to Divi Builder, click on build from scratch, or you can use one of the pre-built layouts and make some modifications to it if you want. But for this tutorial I will just explain the basic and the most important modules that you will need to add to your cart layout, and after that you can add anything you want. So I will select build from scratch and I will build on the front end so I can see what I am doing. Okay, on the front end builder, click on build from scratch again. And for the cart page, you will need to use exactly 4 modules. So I will create one column, and the first module you will need to use is the Woo Notices module. This module displays the messages from WooCommerce. Like when your client remove a product from the cart, he will get a message that the product has been removed and the total price has been changed. Like when the client adds an extra item to the cart, he will also get a message telling him that the product has been added to the cart, or maybe the product can't be added to the cart because it's out of stock, for example. So this module is very important to add to your cart page, and actually it's important to add to almost any WooCommerce page you have. Next I will add maybe I will just add it under this one, the cart products module. Just type cart products and you will have the cart products module. This module displays a table of all of the products that the client added to the cart, and you have full control over the content of this table. If you don't like this remove icon, you can remove it. If you don't like the product thumbnail, you can remove it. If you want the thumbnail but you want it to be bigger than this is the default size, you can just scroll down and go to the extra options and change the size to any size you want. The product name will automatically have a link. If you click on it, you will go to the product page itself. You can disable that link, and you can hide or show anything here as you want. So it's really handy and really easy. You can hide the quantity, especially if you only sells one item per product, so there is no need for the quantity input. You can just remove it, and you can also remove the subtotal price. If you don't have any coupons, you can just disable the coupon, and if the client can't make any modifications to the cart, like removing products from the cart, there is no need for the update cart button. You can just also remove it. So you can, as you can see, you will get a very clean table for the products, and you have some extra options after clearing the cart. What do you want to happen if the client removed all the products from the cart? By default, WooCommerce will display a message that says your cart is currently empty, and it will display a button to go back to the shop. You can disable this button if you want. You can add your custom message. If you want to stay on the page, you can reload the page, and if you reload the page, the empty cart layout will be displayed because the cart is empty, and you can redirect the client to a specific URL like the shop page directly. So immediately when the client removes all the products, he will be redirected to the shop page immediately, or the home page directly. All you have to do is select redirect to URL and add the URL you want right here. And from the design tab, you can customize everything in this table. So this is the second module. The first one is the notices. The second one is the cart products. After that, you have two main modules to use on the cart page. The first one is the cart totals. And this module will display the order, subtotal price, the shipping cost, and the client can change his address using this module, and it will display the total price of the entire order, and it will also display the proceed to checkout button to take the client to the checkout page. By default, this module has the cart totals title. You can add a custom title right here, or you can disable the title completely. And you can also remove this proceed to checkout button if you want to add a custom button using Divi's built-in button module. But in most cases, you will need this button right here. Next, you have the cart cross-sells. The cart cross-sells. This module will display products related to the products in the cart. I will show you how to set cross-sells in a minute. By default, this module has, you may be interested in, title. You can add your custom one, like usually bought together, or you can display other clients like these products, and so on. You can limit the number of the products, and you can change the columns from 3 to anything else, and you can display the add to cart button directly inside this module, and if the client clicks on this button, the product will be added to the page, to the cart directly without reloading the page. It's a great option to use. And again, under the design, you can customize the look, fonts, colors, etc. So these are the four modules you need to add to your cart page: the notices, the cart products, the cart totals, and the cross-sells. To set the cross-sells, you will need to go to the editing page of each product. Like, say, for example, let me just save this layout, and maybe I will select this one. You want the clients who adds this product to the cart to get recommendations. To do that, go to link products, and you can see here the cross-sells. Here you can look for the products you want to appear on the cart page if this product is in the cart. So I will select some products and click on update, and I will add this product to the cart. Let me just open this product, and I will go to the plugin settings page to apply this layout I just built to the cart page. So you go to the cart and default cart layout and select this cart layout. This is the one I just created right here, and click on save. If I go back to the product and add it to the cart and go to the cart page, as you can see, this is the layout I just created, and as you can see, these are some of the products, the cross sells that I just added on the editing screen of the product. Next, we have the empty cart layout. As you can see, this is the empty cart layout. This page will be displayed if the client removes everything from the cart page. Let me go back to the my cart layout and change the behavior here after clearing the cart. I want you to reload the page. Reloading the page will display the empty cart. So I will go again. Let me just finish this and I will just close this one and I will start building a layout for the empty cart page. I will add a new layout and I will call it the empty cart layout. And again, I will select the type as layout and click on submit. Okay, this is the page where you can recommend specific products for your clients to purchase on the cart page if it's empty. So I will just add a text module right here, and of course you can do anything you want. I will just call it recommended products. Let me just make this recommended products, and I will add the shop module and select the featured products. I don't know if I have any featured products. Just save and click on update. And after that, I will go to my settings page, click reload, so the plugin can read this new layout. And I will select this empty cart layout and click on save. Okay, now if I go to my cart page and reload this page, now I have set this module to reload the cart page if the cart is empty. So I will just remove this product. And when I do that, as you can see, the page is now reloading and the empty cart layout has been displayed with my title and my recommendations.